Hey guys, it's your girl Kia P with another quick Dollar Tree DIY project. You are going to need 4 of these floral boxes that you get in the floral craft section, and you're going to need 2 of the black floating shelves. This is a real simple project to add to your home decor to give you some shelving space, and it just kind of looks real high end and expensive. So we are going to unwrap each of the flower boxes and take out the top part that has the hole in it. All you're going to need is the 4 boxes. Once you have the 4 boxes unwrapped, you're going to go ahead and take some Fix All glue and line them up nice and straight and glue all 4 of the boxes together like I'm doing right here. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe on all of my platforms, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, so that I can get the likes and the shares and the numbers that I need to grow my channel, to grow my spaces, and yeah, to be able to continue to provide you with this dope content. As you know, these things cost money. So go ahead, like, subscribe, share, and I will greatly appreciate it. It is absolutely free to like and subscribe. So go ahead and give me some thumbs up, give me a share, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will greatly appreciate it. And as always, I love having you here. So here I am gluing my Fix All down on the top, and I'm using a clear glue that you can also get at the Dollar Tree. I am gluing Fix All on both sides, and I am going to glue all 4 of these boxes together. Then I'm going to use these Dollar Tree clamps to clamp them in place to make sure that they are nice and tight and secure as they dry. So I set it to dry. Next, I'm taking the black floating shelves that you can also get at the Dollar Tree. And these fit nice and snug inside of the grooves of the floating shelves. So here I am taking my Fix All glue and I am going to glue them to the bottom of the shelves. And then I'm going to put another shelf on top, giving it a nice casing using the floating shelves. I am repeating the same process on the other floating shelves using the final remain of my Fix-All glue and a little bit of hot glue to get that instant adhere to the top of the boxes. Then I place that shelf on top and that is how it looks. I'm going to remove the clips once it dries. And there is the finished project. I'm going to figure out how to hang this on the wall, and I figured to use a template so that I can position the screws perfectly on the wall. That way it will sit nice and snug as I would like it. Here I am taking 2 sheets of paper to make a template for the screws. Then I hung the template on the wall to place the screws, and there we go, the finished project. And yes, it came out super cute. I'm gonna make another.